make them bounce.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I brought a new Jio phone powered by Jio DTL Live. First you subscribe my channel guys, and we can start our talk. And it is the box of Jio phone, you can see, and powered by Jio DTL Live and Jio phone India ka naya smartphone. Model of this phone is F61F, and I tell you the Jio phone features. So it is HD voice, video call and video call. 4G, it is a 4G phone, you can see guys. 4G internet browsing, multiple Indian languages, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, FM radio, wireless FM radio. So in this phone there is a Wi-Fi also, and Jio phone specs are 6.09 centimeter of this phone display. Screen display, 2 megapixel of camera, 2000 mAh battery, and 512 MB RAM, 4 GB memory, SD card up to 128 GB, 3.mm headphone jack, powered by KaiOS. So it is very good phone, and the company KaiOS is very good company. So Jio service, there is Jio service also, Jio News, Jio Music, Jio app, and many things of Jio Cinema. All the Jio apps are there in this phone. And there is a model, you can see written model number and EMI number, RSN. So we can start our unboxing. So I open the, and sorry guys, first it is also connect with the TV also. We have to buy the cable, not come in this inside. And we can, and there is an net quantity, the one and headset, one and editor, one and battery, one Jio phone guide, one keypad guide, and Jio SIM card. So we can start unboxing. So it is an SIM inside it, and the price of the Jio phone is 1500. But in this phone I have also buy the SIM, so it is 1700 for me. So I put there, it is Jio SIM, and paperwork also, and it is inside like this. So I open it is the phone, Jio phone, you can see Jio, and the other company LYF, and 2 pixel camera I put there. And it is a charger, 2000 mAh charger, battery charger, sorry guys. And it is a safety cloth for it, charger, and it is made in China. So I put there. And this is safety cloth for us. And it is a Jio keypad guide. It is very big, not important for you. If you watch my video, it is not important for you. You can put there. And there is a Jio guide. It is not important for you if you watch my video. So it is like this, very big. So I put there. So it is an Jio, like this, Jio app, and I put there. So I put there. And this is our Jio phone. It is telling us to press star to unlock the phone. I am pressing the star. So it is like this, and we can start it like this. There is many apps of Jio, and there is a Google Assistant. So I open the Google Assistant, and it is saying that press this to, sorry guys. So it is telling us that press this to record our voice. So I am saying press Watch Dogs 2. So it is opening, see.
According to Wikipedia, Watch Dogs 2 is an action-adventure video game developed by Ubisoft Montreal and published by Ubisoft.
So it is like this. So I'm back, and it is in camera, you can see. open. So it is like this. So it is 2 megapixel camera, nice camera. So I back it, back. So it is in this phone there is an Jio TV, Jio Music, all the Jio, and there is a phone call. You can see, and back, and there is a Jio Chat, Jio Music, Jio Cinema. All the movies come in 3 months in this phone. And setting browser, and I opening browser. You can see Google, and back and back. So there is a setting also. I open the setting. So it is a setting. There is an Wi-Fi also. You can see Wi-Fi open. So you can see, and there is an no hotspot on this phone. So there is a network on internet. It is a 4G phone. You can see volt. So there is an privacy, sound, display, screen lock, SIM card security, and storage 1.21 GB available, 961.64 MB available, media storage, device, software update. So it is telling us that software is up to date. Back. So back, and there is an other things, music, video, FM, radio, note, and there is a new thing in this phone, unit converter. So my Jio app like this. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share.